Welcome to the Loreal Future Talent Education Programme. In this intermediate series, we will cover a chemical relaxing service. Within this video, you will understand how to relax the hair using a chemical relaxer. This service changes the shape of the hair to reduce volume and curl shape. It can also be used to straighten and smooth the hair. Today we are using a technique for volume reduction, which is a cold service. Discuss the desired outcome with a consultation. Talk to the client about their desired look. Determine the texture and amount of wave they wish the end look to have. Assess the client's hair texture, density and condition. Consider any previous treatments or damage. Understand the client's lifestyle and how much time they are willing to spend styling their hair and revisiting the salon. Prepare yourself and the client with the appropriate personal protective equipment for the service. Ensure their clothes are protected and you, as the stylist, are protected from all chemicals used. Sterilise your equipment before use. The first thing to do is to make sure you have all of the correct equipment ready on your trolley. Why we do it. This service changes the shape of the hair to permanently relax and reduce curl or movement. There are 3 services for a chemical relaxing treatment. First is a cold service to reduce volume. This is great for clients growing their hair to rebalance partial areas or as a quick service. Second is to do a hot service for a smooth look. This ensures hair retains movement but is more controlled. Third is a hot service for an ultra straight and sleek finished look. Key things to remember. Do an incompatibility test. If the hair breaks or is sensitized, do not proceed with the service. Always follow the natural direction of the hair. Your application time is included in your development time. Do not apply directly to the roots. Work ½ centimetre off the scalp. Avoid using on pre-lightened hair. Like other texture services, do not apply on the same day as a colour service. Do not use on hair coloured with henna or metallic salts. Check restrictions on your manufacturer's instructions. To prepare for the service, shampoo your client's hair with a non-barrier forming shampoo, ensuring all styling products are removed and the hair is free from oil and grease. Blot the hair to remove excess water. The hair will need to remain damp. Now detangle. Section the hair into quadrants. Apply the chosen relaxing cream according to the manufacturer's instructions. Here we are applying ½ centimetre from the scalp, starting at the nape area using a brush. Swiftly apply section by section. using your hands to smooth into the hair, not a comb, as the hair is vulnerable to breakage. Application and development shouldn't exceed the time instructed on the guidelines from the manufacturer. Carry out a knot test every 5 minutes. If the knot remains closed, the development is done. After the relaxer has processed for the required time, rinse the hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Ensure that all traces of the relaxer are rinsed out of the hair. Rinse until the water runs clear to remove all chemicals from the hair. Then towel dry the hair. Apply Neutralizer, keeping your sections smooth. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions on processing time. Rinse the Neutralizer thoroughly from the hair, while always ensuring the hair is smooth until the product is removed. Apply a conditioning mask or a moisturising treatment to replenish moisture and nutrients in the hair. Leave the mask on for the recommended time to deeply nourish and hydrate the hair. Finally, rinse the conditioner thoroughly from the hair while keeping it smooth. Following these steps, you can correctly learn how to do a relaxing service. Watch our intermediate How to Do a Perming Service video to continue your learning journey. To discover more resources, go to the Future Talent page on Loreal Access. This dedicated page will support you in your educational hairdressing journey.